Hello and welcome to the vodcast about the combustion of hydrocarbons and carbohydrates. First of all, we're going to go through the rules about burning a hydrocarbon in oxygen. The rule is hydrocarbon plus oxygen gives us carbon dioxide plus water. The steps for writing out the word equation are: number one, write out the reactants in words, then draw an arrow to represent the reaction, then write out the products in word form. The products are always carbon dioxide and water. Then we're going to try to write out the chemical equation. So first of all, write out the symbols for the reactants. A hydrocarbon is technically a molecule with hydrogen and carbon. And a carbohydrate can be thought of as a molecule with carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. And then the formula for oxygen gas is O2, and in brackets, lowercase g, which means gas. Then we write out the symbols for the products. Carbon dioxide is CO2, and that will also be a gas. And water will be H2O, and in this case, water will also be a gas. It will be water vapor. Then we can balance the equation by changing the coefficients. When balancing, first balance the carbon and hydrogen atoms on both sides. Balanced oxygen last. But remember, oxygen comes in groups of 2 in the reactant because it is O2 as a gas. The test for water is to use cobalt paper, and in the presence of water, the cobalt paper turns from blue to pink. So let's do an example. So the rule is a hydrocarbon plus oxygen gives us carbon dioxide plus water. The question here is, what are the products formed when propane, which is C3H8, is burnt in oxygen? So we go back to the rule. Hydrocarbon plus oxygen gives us carbon dioxide plus water. The word equation is therefore propane plus oxygen gives us carbon dioxide plus water. Then we think of the chemical equation. C3H8 is propane, and in brackets we have G because it's a gas, plus O2, again in brackets, lowercase g because it's a gas, gives us carbon dioxide, in brackets, lowercase g because it's a gas, plus water, which is H2O, and again, in brackets is a lowercase g because it's water vapor, which is a gas. Now to balance the equation. We can see in the reactants that propane is C3H8. So there are 3 carbons and 8 hydrogens. Therefore, we need 3 carbons in the products and we need 8 hydrogens in the products. The way to get that is carbon comes in ones in CO2. So to get 3 of them, we need to put a 3 in front of the CO2. And to get 8 hydrogens with water, 4 times 2 is 8. Now that gives us 6 plus 4 oxygens, which is 10 oxygens in the products. So we go back to the reactants, and to get 10 oxygens, 5 times 2 is 10 oxygens in the reactants, and now the equation is balanced. Thank you for paying attention. I hope you liked it, and I hope it has helped you. I will let you like and subscribe if you would like to, and I'll catch you later. Bye now.